Hello, right, I'm going to be trying to get rid of my hiccups because I've had them since 5:40 this morning. And I've got hiccups. It keeps going on and off, and I've had it on and off since 26. So, I need to get rid of them because it hurts my chest. My sister has said you can get rid of it in a way by hanging upside down and drinking water, but apparently it goes up your nose. So I'm going to try to do that, and I'm not going to do it on that side.
Do it here.
So
Just get on with it. We don't need a long intro.
What if I fall? But don't pour it over my face, okay?
No, I won't.
Ouch, ouch, ouch. It hurts your hands.
Let me do it then.
Right, let me take yourself because it hurts your hands. That's why you get your stomach there. It hurts when you dig in there.
Don't know.
Should I put gloves on?
No, right, let me do it first.
Right.
Where did you put your legs in there?
No.
Oh.
You lift your legs up there and put your hands in there.
Did you fall?
No, it's just it. No, it's just that it hurt my hand. It hurt there. My bony bit there.
Wait. You gotta hurry up, okay?
Okay, right.
How do you just put your hands like that?
Yeah, and then just like lift your legs up.
Go. Shut up.
Oh. Holly, you're supposed to drink it, not just drip it.
Not going to it. Oh.
I don't know if I want to try that.
Oh, because it really hurt my arm.
Wait, Holly, record me flipping over.
Oh, I'm wet now. So wait.
Ew. I only put one of that in it.
I tipped over you, okay.
I tried to get it in your butt. This is me trying to flip over.
No, you've got to do the thing.
Okay, I will, but that...
You're not doing the flip.
Holly, it hurts your hands. Oh my hand's getting sweaty now. I'm really scared.
Hurry
I'm
up.
not panicking and falling. Oh my god. These ones still take back you.
Stay there.
Leave! What off my nose? You call me doing the flip now?
No, we don't want to see you do bloody flip. Hello.